Hi project managers. In today's video I'd like to start with explanation how to fill in the Erasmus Plus application form. So today we will start with the very basic partners and basic project info. Hi. In the previous video I've shown you where to find Erasmus Plus project application form, but in this video I'd like to show you how to start filling in the application form. So today we will start with filling in the basic information about your Erasmus Plus KA104 project and entering the participating partners. So firstly, I will go to the context menu option and I will fill in the basic information about our project, such as project title. So as you can see here, I entered the project title, upskilling in the field of gamification for e-learning. So you enter your own idea of the project title. Then you enter a short name for a project acronym, start date, and the duration. Duration can be from 1 up to 2 years. I selected 1 year. Then you select the local authority, local organization which manages Erasmus Plus projects. So I selected the Slovenian Cmepius Center, Republika Slovenia, as a local authority which will receive this application. I can also choose the language in which I will fill in the application form, and I will leave it in English. So this is the basic information. Then I will enter the participating organizations. So who is participating within this project? So my idea is that there will be 2 organizations, one sending and one receiving organization for the job shadowing. And the application form asks me first if I'm applying this project on behalf of consortium. So if there are only 2 organizations, I can select no. So there is no consortium, just sending and receiving organization. Then I'm entering my data of my organization. So I just entered my organization ID. So what is the organization ID? It's a unique identifier of the organization from European WebGate system. And it's different than PIC code, PIC code. Now you probably want to ask, where do you get this number? You just go to this link to the database of registered organizations, and you can search for an organization by PIC code, and then you will find out about unique organization ID, which you can use to enter into the application form. So I will search for some organization. For example, I will just search for random organization in, for example, Austria. If I know its PIC code, I can enter it here, but I don't know. So I will just search for one organization. And here you can see a list of all organizations in Austria which are registered in Erasmus Plus system. And you can see there are PIC codes which were used until this year or previous year. Now you must use this organization ID code. So you just search for your organization and then just select and copy the organization ID code. I'm going back to the application form, and now I will enter hosting partner organization, so the organization where I want to go to the job shadowing, I'm just pasting the organization ID. And I don't need to enter the other data of the organization. I'm just filling in the other information about the organization, for example, type of organization. And the form now reminded me that the partner of hosting organization is not in EU. That's because I selected wrongly the organization from Australia. So I'm going back. I will not search in Australia, but in Austria. Sorry for that. And I will just select the first organization, their organization ID, going back to application form, and now you can see that there is no error message for this organization because it's in EU. Okay, so this is the very short video of how to enter the basic information about the partners in the EU project, and in next video I will explain how to and what to insert or type into European Development Plan, project management activities, and so on. So this is it for now, and bye. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.